Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, is kayaking good for core strength? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Most people think of kayaking as a leisurely activity, something to do on a calm summer day. However, what many don't realize is that kayaking can actually give you a great workout. If you paddle regularly, you'll start to see some serious strength gains in your arms and shoulders. Have you ever thought that kayaking can be a really rewarding activity that is good for your core strength? The truth is that kayaking is a great way to build core strength. The repetitive rowing motions required to move the kayak through the water work your abs, back, and hip muscles. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. What causes strong core muscles? Number 2. How does kayaking work with core muscles? Number 3. The activities improve the core muscle work while kayaking. Number 4. How do core muscles can get damaged while kayaking? Number 5. The importance of core muscle strength for kayaking. And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.